woke up feeling super confused because I woke up at 11:30. I was feeling foggy, confused, and I was like, I asked myself, what would someone who loved themselves do? And the answer was to play a music and to start dancing, jumping, so I did it. Then I was confused between like whether should I take shower, to wear something different, or to cook, or to clean, or to go back to sleep, or to take my dog out on a walk, or to curl my hair. And then love told me, so I asked myself this question, what would someone who loved themselves would do? And love inspired me to sit on my bed with a mirror in front and start to curl my hair. And then I wore this, and love inspired me to put this butterfly. I'm sharing this with you to let you know that you gotta invite love into your life, and no matter how big or small the decision is, be it which color shoes I have to wear, what should I do right now, whether to eat or to clean or things like that, ask yourself, what would someone who loved themselves would do? Ask yourself, in your business, in your career, ask yourself, what would someone who loved themselves would do? That's I'm sharing like the biggest secret, because love will inspire you, love will lead you, love will transform your life, love will align every area of life in such a beautiful, powerful, magical way, like wow. Also, in order to bring these loving energies and super high vibrational energies into your life, you should check out my magic paintings, especially these two paintings. Number one, this, I am safe, I am supported, and another one, this one, dearest God, thank you, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me, thank you for leading my way. The way these two paintings are going to support you is magical, because I am safe, I am supported. If you grew up feeling very unsafe, unsupported, alone, loneliness, and you have deep emotional wounds, this painting will heal that, and it will put you in your power, in your purpose. And there was so much peaceful energies. And the another painting, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me, thank you for leading my way. That painting, with the guidance of God and with the guidance of Mother Earth, only is it possible to build something solid, lasting, and in the highest good. You can build something so big, huge, where on a very big level, which makes you a lot of profit, but it still will not be in the highest good, it will still not give you peace. But when you do something with aligned with God's guidance, aligned with Mother Earth's guidance, it is so solid, it is so peaceful. So that's what I wanted for my life, and Mother guided me to channel this painting, and I am sharing it with you. It's my absolute honor to do that. I love you. I am here for you.